Hello, good morning to all of you. Myself, Ganesh Surjusei, HOD of the Department of English of Chintamani Mahavidyalaya Ghugus, which is affiliated to Gondwana University, Gadchiroli. I am the participants of a refresher course conduct which is being conducted by Santa Gadge Baba University, Amravati, and in this refresher scope I have selected the topic of my seminar. The topic of my seminar that impact of Marxism on literature and society. What is Marxism? Marxism, a body of doctrine developed by Karl Marx and to lesser extent by Friedrich Engels in the mid 19th century. It's originally considered of three related ideas: a philosophical anthropology, a theory of history, and economic and political program. Marxism has had a powerful impact on global academy. It has made its impact on every field and sector, and literature and society are not except from it. Karl Marx and Friedrich Engels, who gave the clear-cut idea of Marxism. The next topic is of my slide that the rich get richer and the poorer get poorer. The literature is the mirror of society, and what happened in the society and what is doing in the society and the powerful impact is reflect in literature. While study a Marxism effect on literature, we can say that in capitalist society, very few people are becoming rich and poor are become the most poorer. There are three important factors in Marxism that first is the base. It means tools, mechanism, factories and natural relation. The second important factor of Marxism is superstructure. The superstructure is the social institutions such as system of law, morality, education. Third important factor of Marxism is alienation. Alienation is a condition Karl Heinrich Marx ascribed to individual in capitalist icon. We can also see the Marxist approach to the William Wordsworth work. In the poem of Daffodil, William Wordsworth begins the poem that I gaze, but little thought what wealth the show to me had brought. We can say that why Wordsworth used the word wealth and that it signifies from the Marxist perspective, the poem can be considered both criticism and materialistic attitude. So, in the poem of Wordsworth, we can also see the Marxist approach. So, this is my seminar, and I am very much thankful of the organizer for giving me to share my video in this particular seminar on the particular topic. Thank you very much.